Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I will be making me some Jamaican authentic oats porridge in my kitchen. Growing up as a little girl, oats porridge was one of the biggest recipe in my Jamaican household, and it is a big thing in Jamaica. So if you want to learn this authentic Jamaican recipe that mommy used to teach me when I was growing up as a little girl, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go ahead and make us some authentic oats porridge. Let's go. Now, these are all of the ingredients what I going to use to make my authentic Jamaican oats porridge in my kitchen today. Growing up as a little girl, oats porridge is something that I used to love. And oats porridge is a must in your Caribbean household. All the Jamaican family know what I talk about. Here's up, I have some vanilla. Now the vanilla helps to give your oats porridge that nice little flavor and give it a little buzz. This is a must in your porridge. Here. Here, so now I have my sweetened condensed milk. You can use whatever brand of your choice. It doesn't have to be Nestle, the brand that I'm using. Yeah. Alright, so for you see the man, you know what time it is. You know, say the Quaker oats me I go use today. And as you can see, it says quick 1 minute oats. Oats porridge don't take a long time to be prepared. As long as the oats go in the water and get like a little about 5-6 minutes to boil, you're good. So these are the brand I'm going to use today, Quaker oats. Here I have some cinnamon powder, and this gives the porridge that nice little taste and nice little flavor and smell. I love smell that in my porridge. Some nutmeg. I know mommy probably watching my video and is like, yeah, my daughter take the step off of her mommy. Yeah, mommy, you teach me this back in the days when I grew up. I used to watch you a lot, and you know that. Here I have some whole milk, some dark brown sugar, and this now give a nice little flavor. Yeah, a nice little look. I gotta see them to finish. And now the salt helps to balance out your porridge. I don't say no why your stomach hurt you and nothing like that. So that the salt helps. This is all the ingredients I will be using. So please make sure you subscribe. Don't know what you're waiting on. Make sure you turn your post notification. And if you want to learn this authentic recipe, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. Let's go ahead and make some authentic Jamaican porridge. Let's go. Now to my pot on the stove, I am going to go ahead and go in with 1 cup of whole milk. I'm going to let that come to a little boil right there, so. Yeah. Now to the milk, I am going to go ahead and go in with 1/2 teaspoon of my cinnamon powder. Just add it in like that. Now the reason why I'm adding in all of this right now, because I want to make sure everything comes to a boil. Alright? And make sure nothing stick to the oats porridge when I add it in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just make sure you mix that out. And please guys, make sure your stove is on low. All that's out. Up next, we are going with my nutmeg. As I said, just throw it in like that. And mix. It smells so good. To that niceness, we are going to go in with 1/2 tablespoon of my vanilla extract. Just adding a pinch of the salt. Alright? Make sure say a pinch of the salt and add. Mix this up. And again, the stove for the on lower. Alright? Now the aroma in the kitchen on the stove to come to a boil, and then we're gonna move on to the next process over yourself. So let's go. So in our measuring cup, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add now half cups of oats. Oats right there, so make sure you add because oats porridge tend to swell. And we don't want, so as you can see right there, so that is 1.5. So 1.5, that is half. Alright. To my dry oats, I am going in with 1.5 cups of water. Now to that, I'm going to get a mix. And a cold water I add to this. Alright? So just mix it up, make sure it's not lump in it. And up like that. We are back, so now just gonna give it a mix. And as I said, the stove should be on low. Alright. Now I'm gonna mix this in. It should be stirred gradually, because oats tend to swell and it tends to get hard. Alright? Now to all of that, I am going to go ahead and go in with 1 cup of water. Okay? Cover our pot and leave the pot open. No, I don't like my porridge to be thick, so that's why I'm add another cup of water. So if you want your porridge thick, you can go ahead and you don't have to add the water in it. But be like when my porridge have a little water in it. So I'm gonna leave this to come to a little boil for roughly like 1 to 2 minutes. My porridge I get thick. I'm gonna just mix it out like that. So now to all of that, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add me some of my sugar. Dark brown sugar. I'm gonna sweeten it now. Alright? I'm gonna want it to be sweet. The sugar is okay like that. Mix it out. Make sure you mix until everything is dissolved. As I say, you see, oats porridge with thick real fast. I'm gonna go in with me sweetened condensed milk, just like so. And now sweeten according to your own taste. I like when my porridge have a nice little taste, not too sweet. So, alright. I know say everybody measure different. Please don't come and tell me it looks too sweet. Okay? Alright. Alright. Okay, what's next? Now go in now, and I'm gonna get a little taste test for me hand, just like so. Oats porridge have a buzz. Look at this. I like this. I like this. Me like the porridge. I know this is on point. I don't think you need nothing else to be added to it. This is good. This is there you have it, my authentic Jamaican oats porridge in my kitchen the Jamaican way. As you can see, this recipe did not take a long time to be prepared, and also it did not need a lot of ingredients. This recipe was quick, simple and easy, not to mention delicious. I went down to the bottom of the pot where all the niceness is at. If you enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn your post notification button on so you don't miss out any video that I post. Comment and let me know if you give it a try in your kitchen, and let me know your honest feedback. I want to know if you give this a try in your kitchen. I know a lot of people prepare their oats porridge different, but this one sell off. You don't want to miss this out in your kitchen. All right, this bring back so much memories growing up as a little girl. So hey, don't forget to give it a try. Comment and let me know how much you would rate this video, and let me know. See you guys soon. Bye for now.